I was able to reduce my ADA break-even point over 50% from $1.20 all the way down to 54 cents using two simple techniques. Let me show you how. First, let me tell you what the break-even point actually is. Your break-even point in your investment portfolio is the price at which you come into profit on a certain coin. Your break-even point can be calculated by taking the total dollar amount invested into a coin and dividing it by the number of coins you own. This value is your break-even point. The first technique I use to lower my break-even point is called dollar cost averaging. This is a very common strategy in the crypto universe, and a lot of people use it. This is a very low-risk strategy. All you have to do is wait for the price to drop and enter at lower prices. Lower entries equal lower break-even point. However, many traders don't have the extra funds to continuously enter in lower and lower, especially during this prolonged bear market. This is where trick number 2 comes in handy. It doesn't require extra funds, rather it uses the funds that are currently in your trades. Now let me be clear, this strategy does carry more risk, but it rewards you with a lower break-even point than dollar cost averaging would. If you want to know more, let me know in the comments below and I'd be happy to explain it. Now, the way this works is I use the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow indicators to look for a potential top. Once I find that top, I'm going to sell 50% of my current holding of a coin. After that, I wait for the price to drop and use those same indicators to look for the next potential bottom. Once we find that bottom, I completely re-enter with those funds. What this does is buys more coins than I originally had without using any extra cash. More coins at the same investment price equals a lower break-even point. Using these two strategies has significantly improved my position in this bear market and is going to allow me to come into profit twice as fast when the bull run finally hits. Good luck in your trades and let me know down in the comments what you use to lower your break-even point.